A very good morning to all of you. Thanks for coming early in time, and we are really excited about it. My name is Osama Manzar. I am founder director of Digital Empowerment Foundation. It's about a decade-old organization which has been working in taking digital technologies and media to the grassroots in various parts of the country. We are present in about 100 locations all over the country. And we work very closely with Ministry of IT and various other ministries beside international organization and local NGOs. Just to give you a little perspective, about 2 years back, Seema just reminded me that we met 2 years back in Delhi in the first national consultation. The first national consultation happened about 2 years back, where UNICEF and DEF jointly organized a national level workshop. And we brought many mobile-centric case studies together on one platform, especially from the perspective of role of mobile in social and behavioral change. You all know that UNICEF has a very strong communication for development focus, how communication tools play a role in the developmental perspective. And it has been realized over a period of time that mobile, either by design or by accident or by natural phenomena of God's given natural medium, which is oral, has really made mobile penetrated all over the country among the people. And this is the first really a tool which has gone to the masses. Realizing that it is affecting our life, realizing that it is affecting our behavior, it is realizing that it is playing a decisive and critical role in our life, we thought to come together and try to focus a little more and work with the government and the service providers and the mobile operators and others, how we can really see that mobile is not only adopted by the masses for the sake of just communication, but also which can play a role in the delivery of entitlements, in the delivery of dissemination of information, in the delivery of critical information that can save their life, critical information which can help manage education system, health system, and so on and so forth. That was broadly the idea with which we had started. We got very encouraging participation and demand from the state government. And because UNICEF works in about 11, 12 states, we decided that why don't we do a state after a state consultation, which is much more focused with the state government across 5 subjects, which is women and child, health, health and nutrition, and rural development, and education. So we started doing it. This is our 4th consultation. We did it in UP, we did it in Madhya Pradesh, we did it in Chennai, yes, Tamil Nadu. And, although we had a fund to organize it in only 5 states, you won't believe that we started getting information from other states. So, UNICEF said that, DF, why don't you go to other states? So we are also doing on demand in HP, Himachal Pradesh, in January. And they said that, it is necessary for us. So what we are realizing over a period of time of consultation is that departments are more interested to sit together with these best practices and the consultants, even in their office with about 10 staff, that, we don't even want to come to this hotel and, do it. We want to do this consultation so closely and so rigorously that we find a solution. So I think that will be the stage after this consultation, where we will come to know how the day goes by, how these interesting best practices. And incidentally, all these best practices that you are seeing, they don't have a very big footprint, They are either at a district level or even at a panchayat level or a village level or some, from the Indian perspective, I would say that less than even pilot, because India ka size itna bada hai, it's such a big size that everything looks like a pilot. Even if it is sizable to the district level, it looks like a pilot. So we need to really see that how these technologies that we are looking at, or these medium that we are looking at, can adapt to our requirement. And requirements are usually four sector: either it's information dissemination, or monitoring and evaluation, and or capacity building and training, and like this, so most, or data collection or something like that. So these are the 3-4 areas that we have divided all the bases. That's more or less is the background. We are here, when we had planned it, these estates were together. Now these two, there are two estates. So, it's nice that we have representation from both the estates. And there is a way to take it forward from here to the next level. So that's more or less is the introduction of the background and the introduction of what we are going to have today and tomorrow. Gradually, as the day go by, you will see more and more. So this is not a seminar or a conference or something. It is for you, by you, and for all of us. It has to be very, very participative. It is not monologuous at all. It has to be very, very participative. Very soon we are going to have 3-4 tables. We are going to sit together, walk out. We want to go home saying that now this department knows what we want, in the sense, and we know what we have to deliver in terms of best practices, in terms of the solution, and so on and so forth. So with that note, I would stop here.